Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Sonic from Sonic Boom. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking Sonic, and to begin with, draw in the bottom of his face first. But we're going to start out with his nose. So right in the middle right here, just one circle, and just let me shade this in real quick. Alright, and then from his nose, we're going to go out. So just go out to the side, just round it out on the corners, and then it's kind of like one big smooth curve on the bottom. Okay, and then for his mouth, right here we can draw in, we'll give him a little bit of an expression. So just drawing one line like this first, and then we'll draw one curve connecting to that line. Alright, so now that we have the bottom of the face, we're going to draw in the side of the face. So it's just going to be one big curve. So it's almost like a little bracket right here, or one big bracket, just all the way around. Now that we have this, we can draw in the eyes. Okay, so starting in the center, let's draw a little U shape like this first. And then his eyes is gonna be, it's not gonna be symmetrical, and this side is gonna be a little bit higher. So from this side, we'll curve up. And then on this side, same thing here, but we'll just stop a little bit short, so we won't go as high. Okay, and then now we're going to continue with this curve. Just curve up, come down, and then connect to that. Okay, so then on this side, we'll come up. Same thing here, just round it out, connect to this. So now we have one bigger loop right here and a little shorter one on this side. Okay, and then now we can draw in his eyeballs. So right here, right underneath this slope. Okay, and then same thing here. And then to finish up the eyeball, just gonna draw another curve, just following the one on the outside. And then I'm gonna shade that in black. Okay, so that's the face, and now let's continue up. So right here, first ear, curve up, come back down. So right around here. And then the top of the head right here will go up. And then just round it out. To finish up his ear, just continue with this curve as if you're connecting this, but add a little bit of space in between. And then just follow the curve on the outside. So same thing here. All right, before we finish up the hair on the back, let's draw in the little bandana around his neck. So we're gonna come down. We're gonna draw one more, and this time we're gonna come all the way down. Right in the middle, we'll just draw a little line just to add in some more folds. All right, so now we can finish up the head. So right from the eye right here, just come out to the side, you can make a little point. Go out. And then from this point here, from this end, we'll curve up right behind the ear. So that's gonna be one strand. Okay, start right here, curve out. So this one's gonna be a little bit bigger. From here, just one smooth curve and connect to that. All right, so that's the head, and that is definitely the trickiest part. The body is a lot easier. So for the torso area, just gonna be, we can draw in just like a really long bracket first, and then on the bottom, just round it out. Okay, and then on the inside, just draw the same curve. All right, so now for his arms, so it's gonna be right around here. There's not a lot of details, it's just basically one tube. And then close it off like this first. Okay, and then now for his gloves, he's got those big gloves. Just extend the line, bracket. Let's draw in the thumb first. Just one little hook on this side. And then here's the back of the hand. And then for his fingers, nice and thick here, just come down, just round it, go back up. And then for his other fingers, we just draw one little curve here. All right, so same thing here. We'll extend this line, bracket. For his thumb, come down, just one hook, and then here's the back of the hand. And then same thing here. Just continue down, curve, go back up. And then his other finger. Okay, and then for some details, we can close this off. And I know it's got some wrappings right around the arms right here. So I'm just gonna add in a few lines. Just kind of give it a slight variation so that, some are going in different directions. And then same thing here, we're gonna start right here. All right, so now let's come down. So right in the middle, let's draw the inside of the legs first. Just gonna draw two slants coming down. Now we'll give it some thickness right here. Just come down. And again, very basic shapes. Just close it off flat. And it's got those really big shoes. Just kind of come in like this first. We'll draw this side first. And then go all the way down. Okay, and then on this side, go out. Come down. And then from here, let's draw one curve, connect to the top here. Keep going. Go out. Close this off. Okay, so curve, connect to the top here, continue out, close off the bottom, and let's just add in one line on the bottom for the sole. So that's basically it. And then now for the little straps, so I'm just gonna draw a bunch of lines on the back right here. And even down here, let's just add one little curve like this. And then up here, just like the arm right here, just give it slight variation. And that is it for this very cool version of Sonic. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.